Hello everyone, once again we are here with a new recipe, and that is one of the most popular street food of Mumbai, and that is Pav Bhaji. Without making any delay, let's go straight to the recipe. Pav Bhaji, we need pav buns, chopped green chilies, tomato puree, lemon, chopped ginger garlic, butter, chopped onion, grated carrot, cabbage, cumin powder, coriander powder, kasuri methi powder, salt, mashed potatoes and water. Adding only butter directly to a pan may burn the butter. So we will add 1 tablespoon of oil at first, and then we will gradually add 3 to 4 cubes of butter, which is approximately 2 tablespoons. Now we will add chopped onion and saute it till they are a little tender. After that, we will add chopped ginger and garlic and again saute it for a while, like around for a couple of minutes, till they leave their raw smell. So it's time to add the veggies now. So we will add first the finely chopped cabbage, then the grated carrot and the green chilies, and again saute it till they are cooked. And now we are going to add salt to taste. Meanwhile, I would like to say you guys do suggest me in the comment section what more recipes you want us to do, and I would like to suggest you some recipes which are there on the top right corner of your screen. Alright, so these veggies are almost done now. So we will add coriander powder, cumin powder or zira powder and red chili powder and mix it well. Remember, we have earlier added green chilies, so if you want it to be less spicy, so you can decrease the amount of red chili powder. Now we will add tomato puree to it and mix everything well. And let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame. So now it's time to add the boiled and mashed potatoes. And again mix everything well. We will add water and again mix everything well. We have added approximately 2 cups of water. Now give it a nice boil so that all the flavor gets evenly spread all over the bhaji. Lastly, adding kasuri methi powder to it. Our bhaji is completely ready now. So now let's work on the pav buns. So we will spread butter all over the halved pav buns and then roast them on a pan till they are crisp. Our pav bhaji is all ready to be served. Serve this hot and drooling pav bhaji with onion rings and a lemon wedge. And yes, don't forget to add extra butter on top. And also don't forget to like our videos and don't forget to subscribe Delicious Tales. Thank you.